This is the light. If you squeeze these two buttons on each side, it pops out. And it takes a proprietary little LED light strip. I don't know if you can see it in there, so it's not a bulb. You'd have to, something went wrong, you'd have to replace the whole thing. I'm going to hang them, and if I do that, let me push this back together. And I have temporarily connected this to a wire with these little clips. And here are the controls. There's not an on-off button, so this is supposed to be hardwired and controlled from a switch in the wall. It's not my use case. I want to wire it either with a plug or hardwire, but I wanted a switch on here, and ideally a chain. I could probably add a little thing, little switch in here to make a chain come out on the end, but it doesn't come with an on-off switch. It's a very nice light, color-wise. $5,000K is the shade. Goes down 4,000. I believe that's 35. It's real hard to read. Two different shades, different brightness. See these two wires? That's for a dimmer that's not included. You want to add a dimmer to it. And we can push them in here. There's these two items included also, which snap in, and you can tie them down with a screw. And those screws are not included. I don't know what that's for. I mean, I guess it gives you a round base on the ceiling. But I guess it's just if you come up here with these little screws and wall mounts into these holes here, then this will give you some support. Keep it from wobbling, I suppose. But those screws aren't included to hold these in, but there's two little holes that looks like little sheen screws would be needed. I would hang it, which are two of these wires. Oh, there you go. I see. Now I see what it's for. So anyway, just put these in here. And then this screws into the ceiling. That's what they're for. And then you would take one of these, put it into the ceiling, and put the screw in the bottom. Attach that to the ceiling, and then these can quickly unmount. That's kind of nice. It's not adjustable, so the length is the length. I don't see any way to adjust this. But okay, so that's how it works. Easy setup, really. It is nice and solid. The marketing pictures show this in the kitchen and a bedroom, but it's really a shop light. It's too industrial for inside your house. You know, the little punch holes on the side. It's not really decorative, it's more functional. I would need to run this plug over to that wall so I could run a shop light. So I'd have to add a switch to this.